Do you have a coin, Elsa? I want a surprise. Yes. Thank you. I can't wait for my surprise. What will I get? Come on, open it, Anna. Yes, I can't wait. A dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff. I love my present. Do you want a surprise, Elsa? Oh, yes. I want a surprise. Insert coin. Oh, what will it be? Oh, I can't wait. Oh, look, it's a baby. A baby. Very cute. Now it's my turn. Wow, look, I got a horse. My horse. What a lovely surprise. I want another. I want another. Oh, open it, Anna. Come on, open it. Wow, look at the tortoise. Lovely, huh? These surprises are very fun. I have another coin. Oops! Oh, I got a pig. Look, everybody, a pig. Again! It's my turn. Ooh! Wow, it's a monkey. Oh, Elsa, do you have more coins? I love the surprises. Okay, Anna. Oh, I got something furry. Oh, and it's a cat. It's a cat. I will have another surprise. I got a cup. My turn, my turn. I want more surprises. Sorry, Rapunzel, but we spent all the money. Oh.